So a few minutes ago, I was out for a walk. I'm visiting my mother-in-law, and I was out for a walk, and I noticed right behind me over here is a kind of a drainage area, and there's some frogs, and they're very, very loud. And I shot some video with my iPhone because I wanted to hear it. And here's the video I shot with my iPhone. Now I thought, what a great way to show that. That is just straight iPhone out of my pocket. Nothing, no apps, no nothing, just straight microphone of the iPhone. So I went back and got a different camera, and I got a Sennheiser Shotgun just to try to see if we can see the difference. And I'm going to pick the camera up and move over a little closer to where I was standing. It's going to look a little Blair Witch-like here, running in the dark. Okay, not sure if you can see me at all, but this is pretty much where I was standing when I shot the iPhone video. This is with the Sennheiser shotgun mic. It's on a boom pole with a shock absorbing mount. Let's see, I think it's absolutely perfect for getting natural sound. These microphones a lot of times are on mounted on the cameras. I think they're great like this because you can get great nat sound, such as if I hold the microphone down. Okay, so we'll play the iPhone video again. And we'll play the, and here we are with the shotgun. And I'm not sure it's a good example if you can hear them in the background of me speaking.